thought I'd show you this handy little ratchet I've had for the last 15 years or so. It's a GearRatchet. It's sold by Home Hardware store here in Canada. Anyway, it's got little adapter ends here for one. You know, 1/4 inch, 3/8, whatever. Pop that guy out. What's special about it, just a second here, sorry about the camera, I find a socket. There. All the sockets are deep socket. Okay, so you can just pop this guy in there. Kind of tricky with one hand. Let me see here. Just put the head in, and you get your left or right, and he'll fit right over, you know, if you had a bolt down there. Yeah, pretty handy. I use it all the time. It's good and solid too. I've seen other knockoffs of this, but Home Hardware was the first to come out with it years back, so that I know of anyway. So there's the patent number. So anyway, back to work. Oh, first off though, this side cover here just has 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. One hiding down there, and 3 up top. And one of those, the top one up here, he's the shorter of them all. So keep an eye out for that. Alright, I'm going to pop this cover off and get back to you.